Well, good evening to you. Taking a look at the lights at Winter Wonderland that'll be getting underway here. Coming up shortly at 6 o'clock, it is that nightly drive-through lights display out at Lake Shawnee that runs from 6 until 10 o'clock each night. Taking a look at some of the numbers, though, we've been talking about this, wanting to reach a goal of more than 12,000 cars. We've exceeded 1,200 for the first weekend, so we're off to a good start. Hope you can support that throughout the Christmas season. We're tracking mostly clear weather for tonight. Not much in the way of cloud cover out there right now, and it should stay that way. Partly cloudy to sunny and fairly mild again tomorrow, but a major cool down out ahead of us this week. And it won't come in the form of a blast of cold air. We'll just gradually settle down into some much cooler weather as the week goes on. A look in Jackson County from the Prairie Bend Casino weather cam, mostly clear. Plenty of sunshine today is given way to a mostly clear evening in Manhattan. Here's a look in West Topeka. Busy highways now for the drive home, but it is a quiet evening. 55 degrees, west-southwest winds at 5 miles per hour. 53 this morning, 60 for the high. We won't be near those numbers tomorrow. We'll be close on the high side, but we will be much cooler tomorrow morning than we were this morning, as the cooler air will prevail. Had the clouds around last night. Tonight we will not. 55 at Clay Center, 51 in Emporia, as well as at Forbes Field, and up north at Hiawatha, it's down to 49 degrees with kind of a west-southwesterly wind ranging anywhere from 5 miles per hour at Topeka and Hiawatha to 15 miles per hour at Concordia. Looking at future track, then we're going to advance ahead to tomorrow, 3:30 in the afternoon. This is what you can expect it to feel like out there, as the wind chills will be in the low 50s southeast and generally in the low 40s to the west as that cooler air starts to move in. And then a big difference, we're into Wednesday morning, and the wind chill, not air temperature, but the wind chills will feel like it's in the lower to mid 20s. And notice through the day on Wednesday, wind chills may get stuck in the 30s. The temperatures will climb up into the 40s, but with a breeze, it may not feel like it does as we head throughout the day. Skies are generally clear, not much in the way of cloud cover now. Have had a few thin clouds move through earlier. There's a big storm system, the same one that gave us the rain yesterday, lifting through the northern plains. Wrapping around the back side of this, we're tracking that cooler air to move in. That's what's going to bring us that big cool down, but it takes a little while for it to wrap around. We'll see occasional cloud cover, but it's still a good amount of sunshine for Tuesday, and that carries over into Wednesday as well. Partly cloudy, maybe a little bit more cloud cover scattered around by Wednesday afternoon. Tonight we'll see a low temperature of 34 degrees, mostly clear and chilly. The west winds will be light, but we'll pick back up through the course of the day to about 5 to 15. 54 for the high in Topeka, 52 in Manhattan, and 56 at Emporia. Your KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast, mid-50s tomorrow, but low to mid-40s for a high on Wednesday with some scattered clouds. And overnight lows will be coming back down into the 20s later this week, as temperatures over the next couple of days will continue to drop back into the 40s. Also looking for a slight chance of precipitation as we head into the weekend, Saturday night, early Sunday, as temperatures remain generally cool. Most of the week, the high temperatures will be in the 40s, so enjoy what's left of the 50s for tomorrow.
You know what, though? When's it going to snow, Matt?
Everyone's wanting to know that. You may notice one thing. The precipitation on Saturday is late in the day. It really is going to somewhat depend on how late. If it were to come in Saturday night, temperatures may be cold enough for some snow to mix in, but it doesn't look like a first snow by any means.
I think people will welcome the cold and the snow as long as it brings the holidays along with it, though.
Well, you know, the holidays are going to come whether the snow does or not.
That's a good point there.
Yeah.